EWEB says they're a few short months away from having their largest substation operation on the grid. The current substation in Eugene sits along Highway 126 and over the past year went from a demolished and empty lot to a facility. KEZI 9 News reporter Noah Chavez was given access and shows us the improvements.
It was over a year ago today that I stood right here at the current substation as it was being demolished. Well, a year and a half later, you can certainly tell that the demolition is very much over, and soon construction will be wrapping up as well.
Long gone are the sounds of heavy machinery and dirt in the air. Instead, Current stands as a proper electrical substation hidden along Highway 126.
A project like this takes many years. I actually started working on Current in January of 2020.
Philip Peterson has been there for all stages of the reconstruction process, from seeing the site get torn down to seeing it rise high above the ground.
And just to see that whole process from, most of the infrastructure that you can't see anymore being 6 feet below grade to foundations 31 feet deep in the ground, and seeing how you even build something like that is just very, very impressive, and really a testament to what we can do if we're going to work together, and what we can accomplish after enough time and effort.
Acting as a giant electrical receiver and distributor, Current will take the electricity going across multiple states and pass it through EWEB's grid to the customer.
This is to transform the high voltage electrical energy from the larger multi-state electric grid and transform it into something that we can provide to customers and ultimately provide them with power. This piece of equipment is a high voltage circuit breaker rated for 115,000 volts. The donut looking things at the base here are housings for current transformers, so we can monitor electrical current flowing through the breaker.
With a price tag of around $16 million, Current should stay in service for 50 years once it becomes operational. With the site featuring modern-day advancements and stability, EWEB customers should see no interruption in their electric service should an electrical fault occur.
That is not typical in most electric systems. Usually there's some sort of service interruption, some way that customers could have an idea that something is happening. But at Current, we put special effort into it to make sure that if we're going to do our required maintenance to make sure we get the full 30-50 years life out of these assets.
Like so many other EWEB projects, Current is designed to withstand the force of a major earthquake along the Cascadia subduction zone. And coming up at 5, I'll show you what those upgrades are and how they'll help ensure that EWEB customers have power when they most need it. Reporting in Eugene, Noah Chavez, KEZI 9 News.